Keeping your humidifier clean, a how-to guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very important home appliance maintenance topic. How often should you clean a humidifier if you're using tap water? Let's get started.
Why should you clean your humidifier regularly?
If you're using a humidifier, particularly with tap water, it's crucial to clean it regularly. Tap water often contains minerals that can build up in your humidifier and become a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. These particles can then get dispersed into the air when the humidifier is in use, potentially causing health problems.
How often should I clean my humidifier?
If you're using tap water in your humidifier, you should aim to clean it every 1 to 2 days. Yes, that might seem quite frequent, but this helps to ensure that there's no harmful buildup of minerals or growth of bacteria and mold.
How to clean your humidifier?
Cleaning a humidifier isn't a complicated task. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Unplug the humidifier from the power source. 2. Empty any remaining water from the tank. 3. Fill the tank with a mixture of white vinegar and water, half and half. Let this sit for about an hour. This helps to break down any mineral deposits. 4. After an hour, use a soft brush to scrub inside the tank. 5. Rinse the tank thoroughly to ensure all vinegar is washed away. 6. Finally, let it air dry before using it again.
Can I prevent mineral buildup?
Using distilled or demineralized water instead of tap water can significantly reduce the mineral buildup in your humidifier. These types of water have most, if not all, of their minerals removed, hence they won't leave deposits in your humidifier. If you choose to switch to this kind of water, you may extend the cleaning intervals, but you should still clean your humidifier at least once a week. Keeping your humidifier clean is essential to its performance and your health. Remember, if you're using tap water, aim to clean your humidifier every 1 to 2 days. Don't forget, the type of water you use can make a big difference. Stay healthy and breathe easy. Thanks for watching.